Yo, yo, yo. Oh my God, cherries. Cherries, 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 cherries. Like, my love for cherries is bordering on obsessive. Like, there are times when cherries, they come before my mom. Rarely, but still, cherries. By the way, Mom, I love you. But like, I'll just take cherries any way they come. I'll give it a shot. And so I was perusing this, Weight Watchers Best Ever Desserts, and there was a recipe for cherry soup. Cherry soup. Making taste time. Making taste time. So, welcome to my kitchen. Now, Make It Taste is where I make a recipe that I found, I taste it, and then I tell you my thoughts. Now, I have never been so excited for a Make It Taste, like, ever. I mean, I know I haven't done many, but still, I am so excited for this Make It Taste. Like, cherries as a soup. As a soup. What? Oh, okay. No, it's a dessert, so it's chilled. Yes, chilled soup is a thing. And it's cherry. Oh my God, you know what? Let me at it. Let me at it. We have one 24-ounce jar of pitted tart cherries. And then we're gonna put the cherries in a sieve over a medium bowl. And we're gonna remove about half a cup of the cherries, and we're gonna set those aside, and we're gonna also reserve the juice. And we're gonna put the remaining cherries in a food processor and puree until smooth. Then we're gonna pour the cherry puree through a sieve, set over a bowl, and we're gonna press hard on the solid to extract as much liquid as possible. As a footnote, it says an excellent, efficient straining technique is to use one rubber spatula to press the cherries through the sieve and another across the bottom of the sieve to help loosen the pulp that has been pushed through. Once that's done, then we're going to stir in the reserved cherry juice, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna cover this and refrigerate it until the soup is thoroughly chilled, about 2 hours or up to 1 day. And then we're gonna ladle one half cup of the soup into a shallow bowl. Then we're gonna garnish these with 2 tablespoons of the reserved cherries and 1/4 cup scoop of lime sorbet. And then you serve at once. Time for tasting, time for tasting. Okay. A bit of the sorbet. A little bit of the cherries, a lot of the soup. I'm gonna eat this like it's hot. It's not hot. Oh my God. That is, Lord Jesus, help me. That is so good. That is so delicious. That is cherry explosion. And I love the lime sorbet in there. Like, it kind of adds this, like, I'm not quite cherries, but I just want to let you know I'm here. But it's not like, bam, I'm here. Like, it's just, it's there. It's like right in the background. And then having like the actual cherries in it. Mm. Mm. I wonder if there's like a hot version of this soup. I wonder if like you could have hot cherry soup on a cold day. Maybe I should try that. Oh, so good. Okay. That is everything. That was everything I was hoping for and more. Oh yes. And because it's part of this Weight Watcher, it's like, I think it's like, got like no, it's got like no sugars and like, let's see, what is the, give me a second. So it says per serving, which is a half a cup of the soup, plus the 2 tablespoons of the cherries, plus the 1/4 cup of the sorbet. Now it says it's 157 calories, 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, no cholesterol, 81 milligrams of sodium, 41 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, and 26 milligrams of calcium. I mean, that's, like, I feel like this is enough. Like, that, like, this is enough. Like, you know how sometimes you're like, oh, that portion size is too small. I feel like this is enough. Like, this will get that delicious cherry yummy goodness so that I could stay okay for the next time that cherries comes around. But I think that this is amazing. This is delicious. This is something that you should definitely give it a try. Weight Watchers, again, you know what you're doing. This, fantastic. I mean, deliciousness in a bowl. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you are obsessed with cherries just like me. And if you would definitely give this sour cherry soup a try. And any other like healthy recipes that you have that you've incorporated into your everyday life. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.